Hi everyone, welcome to this walkthrough of Boxbe. Today, we're diving into this unique email management service to see if it's the right fit for you. If you're someone who deals with an overwhelming amount of email and needs a better way to stay organized, keep watching. Boxbe offers a straightforward solution for handling your inbox by helping you filter out unwanted messages and prioritizing important emails. Here is how it works. Once you sign up and link your email account, Boxbe places a guest list filter on your inbox. This means only emails from approved contacts go straight to your main inbox, while everything else waits in a designated waiting list for approval. This way, you're in complete control of who gets direct access to your inbox. Point one feature that users appreciate is the control over spam. Boxbe acts as an added layer of spam protection beyond what your email provider may offer, helping you avoid those annoying unwanted messages without having to dig through endless folders. However, if you're already using a premium email manager, you might find some redundancy in these features. Now, for those who are new to email management tools, Boxbe is simple enough to use without a steep learning curve. It's free to start, making it accessible for anyone who wants to give it a try before deciding to commit. However, there are some limitations. For instance, Boxbe works best with Gmail, Yahoo, and AOL accounts, so if you use a different provider, it may not integrate as smoothly. Point one thing to keep in mind is that Boxbe's spam filtering isn't always foolproof. Occasionally, legitimate emails can end up in your waiting list, so it's essential to check that folder regularly to ensure you don't miss anything important. Also, while the free version of Boxbe is quite functional, premium features are limited unless you upgrade. If you're seeking a broader range of advanced tools for organizing and managing your inbox, I recommend Clean Email. It's another highly rated service with more in-depth features for sorting, labeling, and automating email tasks. For anyone ready to take email management to the next level, check out Clean Email through the link in this video's description. Boxbe is an excellent starting point if you're new to the world of email management or simply need a way to keep spam in check without any fuss. Its priority filtering can save you time, letting you focus on messages that matter most. And it does all this with minimal setup. So, if you're ready to take control of your inbox, give Boxbe a try. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more productivity tips, and give this video a like if you found it helpful.